This is an Instagram-worthy picture. Am I crazy or is that sunflower smiling at me?
A little.
From ghost sunflower fields, the pickled sandwich. What's the big deal? Get it? There's so much to explore on this bike tour on the C&O Canal. It goes all along the Potomac, so let's go riding.
And see some sunflowers.
I wore my flower outfit for today's event.
And I got out my flower socks for this ride.
We chose a weekday and nobody's here.
In the summertime, it's nice because we got a lot of shade, but unfortunately, it blocks the Potomac.
Yeah, where's the water? Where's the water? Picture of the Black Lagoon. Looks like he lives here.
Well is dry.
You sure you're doing it right?
Maybe bring your own water just in case.
When I was a young kid, I used to take the White Ferry crossing over the Potomac River to go blueberry picking. I don't know why I couldn't do it where I live, but that's what we did. Welcome to the haunted house bend. In this area that we're going, there are many ghosts. Civil War soldier ghosts, and then there's canalers who worked on the canals. There's ghosts from them. So who knows? Who knows?
You love your ghosts, don't you?
Oh my God, it's so gorgeous. There have been many reports that spirits roam around here. So after the Civil War Battle of the Balls Bluff, which took place right across the river, right over here, soldiers were crossing the Potomac River and some of their boats capsized and many drowned. There have been reports of hearing unearthly noises come from the rocky shores and the woods. And some have said that they have seen a red-bearded man walking on the bike trail. But when you look and take a second glance, it would disappear. Perhaps you would like to encounter the canal ghost in person. So they have lock houses where you can stay overnight and you can now meet them on your own ground.
Is that a red-bearded man ahead of us?
Oh, I hear some moaning voices.
I think that's your bike. Did you oil it this morning?
Hello, bike riders. Hello, bike riders. Oh my God, there's a deer. This one?
Yeah,
see if we have better luck.
Here, stick your head closer. I'm gonna try it.
I guess you broke it.
You got some.
Maybe we were doing it wrong.
There we go.
Patience, it's called
Well, now you're
patience.
wasting it.
Oh, okay, here, I'll give you one. Okay, we made it to White Ferry's crossing. So the ferry is not working today, but hopefully by the time we posted this, it will be working. This ferry has been operating for 200 years. Also, at White Ferry's crossing is the White Ferry Grill, where you can get the pickled sandwich. How am I going to eat this? I love it. So what did you think of the trail?
Well, it's smooth, not a lot of bumps.
We're in the woods, so it kept us very cool. We didn't see any ghosts. A lot of fun to explore, a lot of things to do, and hope to see you riding.